Hello everyone, we're going to start with this tutorial about settings in Teams. So let's go to start application. First you have to log in Office 365 of course. Then the first main page you can go to Teams or just to the 9 points on the left corner and go to Teams. After a couple of seconds you will have the main page of Teams. Then you will see a couple of icons here on the top of the page. You can filter the teams you are involved in, yeah, all classes, staff, and whatever, and then you can manage teams and switch view. If you go to your image or the right up corner of the window, you will have the possibility of sharing the picture. You can upload a picture, but you have to be sure that the picture is below 2 megabytes, and then close. Apart from that, you can change your status. Right now I have be right back, available, or whatever. You can see the green light, be right back. And you can also send a short message. Hello, I'm using Teams. This is my message for this week. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the next and more important. You can save your settings. And let's go for the settings. The views, you can choose the theme, default, dark, or high contrast. I really don't like it. I prefer this one. And the two ways show the icons. The first one is the layout, the to grid. And the second one, you will see right now, layout is list. Yeah, it's totally different. You have a list of teams here on the left. Well, I prefer the first one, so let's go with grid. And apart from that, you can change the language. In my case, for this tutorial is English. Well, you can just go continue navigating between the settings and go for privacy. And this is important if you don't want to receive notifications where your status is don't disturb. You don't have to do anything. But if you want someone to call you, you can search the name of people that can call you even when you are with the status of don't disturb. You can also have blocked contacts if you want. I don't recommend you. And the surveys, if you want to participate in surveys or not. For this course, you have to allow to create and participate in surveys, of course. Then we can go to notifications, and that's important part because you can receive a lot of mails. So maybe when someone mentions you, you just want to receive a banner or whatever, or just nothing, only show on the feed. Also the same with channel mentions or team mentions. Then you can do similar things with the message when somebody sends you a message or somebody is replying you when you some conversation you started. Okay, the likes and the follower channels. If something is trending topic right now, you can unlock. You can also get a banner and email if you want. Well, this is something that doesn't happen in our school. Yeah, let's go. The bigger, yeah, the team role doesn't change, and usually the team membership doesn't change, so it's not important. And about the meetings, yeah, when you receive a notification about the meetings, just mute. Always mute only if you understand the mail, and unmute. Let's go for the keyboard shortcuts. Maybe you are already using it, but well, I want to comment you something about that. This is something can help you to go faster from one part to another. Maybe if you want to search something, you can use that one. Show commands, over filter, go to somewhere. The one I use is this one, start new chat, option in my computer, and close, escape. When you are navigating, maybe you want to open a chat activity or Teams, you have the shortcuts here, okay? And when you are navigating through a list, you can go to the previous item or the next item in the list. So maybe these two also can work for you. And when you are involved in messaging, so you have a lot of shortcuts you can use. And if you are doing a lot of video calls, maybe not this one, accept a video call, but start audio, start video. Yeah, you don't have to go to the icon, you can just use the shortcut, mute, go to sharing toolbar if you are sharing your screen or some of the application on your screen. Maybe it's important. And yes, the shortcuts for the calendar, view day, work week, and whatever. Apart from that, you also have the about and download the desktop at, and also you have the download the application that is I think is something important because it works better than the online application. So let's go to the application I have on my computer. There's something settings we have to be clear about, that is the devices. You can select the device you want for the speaker, the microphone, and the ringer. And hello, this is me doing the video. The camera also, if you have another camera connected, you can use it. And the permissions for this hardware. The media, the location, I just switch off the location. I always did. I always do. Notifications, turn on links, and all the devices. You connect, I don't know, maybe a screen recorder or whatever, you can use it. And for the calls, yeah, when you have an incoming call, do nothing, go to voicemail. You can configure the voicemail, okay? You can just search a little bit, text to speech if you want to do. Okay, cancel. And the ringtones. I have this one, you can change it, okay? There are several. I think that's it for now. So right now you can go to another video and learn a little bit more about Teams. Bye and thank you.